Hey, this is Chris. We're at the Mechanex show at Sandown Park. This is where we're bringing you this week's show from, and it was 2016 November when we first ever came here to do the show. It's the first exhibition we did. It was great to meet so many garage owners and get them on board with the software, but where we have come from there to now, pretty much just a basic reminder system was what we supplied back in 2016. We're now supplying one of the simplest but most effective garage management software platforms out there. So let's have a little look around the show. So this week's show, we're actually backstage here, so you can see some of our studio lighting and some of our stand and the other exhibitors that are all around us, and it's been great to bring you these shows from our studio, but also good to get out and about, because of course during the pandemic trade shows like this have been halted, so there's a real great feeling about today. It's going to be great to speak to some people within the industry and obviously meet lots of garage owners that are already using MOT Manager or are looking to come on board here at the Mechanex show, which is coming from Sandown Park at Esher. So if you haven't started that journey yet of getting your admin digital, getting your reminders automated and getting your online booking, now is the time to get in touch. November is always our busiest month of the year for new garages coming on board. So you've maybe been thinking about this over the summer, you've got the festive break not too far away, and you want to come back in the new year and have this system in place so we can get you set up the same day, we can have everybody trained, and the system, by the time you go off at Christmas, will be fully up and running for when you come back in January. So don't think of this time of year as too late to get started with something. And don't forget, as I keep saying, and this is the great thing about this live show, is I want to find out more about you and your garage business. So get in touch and let me know what you're looking to achieve. Let me know what's not quite right in the garage and what systems you want to get in place, and we'll be able to work together with you on all that. So if you're not here at the show, it'll be a shame not to meet you in person, but get in touch and we can arrange a screen share. So that is the end of the first day here at Sandown Park for the Mechanex show. We've brought you this week's show live from here, and it's been great to meet so many garage owners today. Most people obviously have headed off home. Now we carry on into the evening, and we just want to say, if you're not here at the show, don't feel like you've missed out. It has been great to get garages on board today. It's always brilliant when they're on the stand and they say, let's get started, let's get signed up, and let's get using the MOT Manager software. But like I say, if you weren't here, just drop us a message. We'll get a call into you in the next couple of days and we can set up your free demo request. Don't miss out on making your brilliant business already better with MOT Manager.